ohmathgad.
Oh my God, guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to make a reflection of any polygon over the x-axis. We're going to be doing a small practice and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's begin. Okay guys, so in this case we're going to be making the reflection or graphing the reflection of a quadrilateral which is called quadrilateral FGHJ that has the following coordinates. So F 2, 6, G 3, 3, H 5, 2, and J 3, 0, right? So then we're gonna graph that quadrilateral and its reflection over the x-axis, right? So now, guys, a rule reminder. Whenever we have a point P and that point is reflected over the x-axis, the reflected point, so P tick mark, right, is going to be x comma minus y, right? So whenever we have a point, like if we have our coordinate plane, and now our x-axis is gonna work as our reflection, it is as if we had a mirror. The x-axis would work as it so the x-axis would work as if it was a mirror, right? So in this case, let's say we have a point here that has um, coordinates x comma y, right? So this distance, right, is going to be maintained from the mirror, and we're going to have our point. And our new point, so P tick mark, is going to have coordinates x, and the distance, because it has to be the same distance from the point to the x-axis and to the x-axis to the new point, we're going to have the coordinate minus y. So whenever we are doing the reflection over the x-axis, we're going to have the same value of x, but the opposite value of y, right? So in this case, the reflection over the x-axis of FGHY is going to be FGHJ. Sorry. Yes, so J. And now we have F is going to again have the same values of the initial value of F. So we're going to have 2, but then the value of Y is going to be minus 6. So we have G, and our new value of G is going to be 3 comma minus 3. We have our value of H. We have the same initial value of X, but then the opposite value of Y. And then in the case of J, we have 3 comma, and then the opposite of 0 is still 0, right? And now what we're going to do is that we're going to graph points of F, G, H, and J, right? So we have the initial points, which are going to be F, which is 2 comma 6, G, which is 3 comma 3. We know that H is 5 comma 2, and we know that J is going to be 3 comma 0. We also know that our new points are going to be 2 comma minus 6, G is going to be 3 comma minus 3, H is going to be 5 comma 2, negative, and then we have that J is going to be 3 comma 0. So now let's graph them. Now F is going to be on 1, 2, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be here. G is going to be on 3 comma 3, so 3 comma 3. H is going to be on 5 comma 2, so 4, 5, and 2. And J is going to be on the value of 3 comma 0, so it's going to be right here, right? So our initial one, right, is going to be here like this. Now, in order to graph the reflection, we're going to find F, which is going to be 2 comma minus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. right? So if before we had f, now this is going to be f after the reflection. We have g, which is 3 comma minus 3, so 3 minus 3, so it's going to be here. We have our value of h, which is now 5 comma minus 2, so it's going to be here. And we have the value of j, which is still going to be 3 comma 0. So we have g, h, we have h here, and we have j, and j tick mark, right? So we're going to have our values like so, and then we are going to have its reflection. So this is how we do our reflection, guys. We basically just found the original image or the original polygon, and then we're gonna see the reflection. And here is the final product. And that is pretty much it, guys. So we have the initial quadrilateral, and then we use our axis of reflection, which is x, and then we have our final product, which is going to be the mirrored image over the x-axis. And that is pretty much it for today, guys, so now try it yourself.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!